Hello, career explorers. Kiran here from CJN, and I'm thrilled to have you join us for our weekly expectations into the realm of exciting job opportunities. Whether you are a seasoned professional charting new horizons or a budding enthusiast ready to launch your career, we have created a collection of golden opportunities just for you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for the steady flow of insights. Now let's dive into the this week captivating job listings. So first role is for the BIS Consultant Recruitment in 2024. The post is for consultant and the job description for the consultant is the terms of reference of engagement of such consultants providing support in the following areas. The consultant will be required to support the standardization department by undertaking review of literature and standard assigned to them, including the review of the standard of the other national and international standards making bodies, collecting data on the manufacturing and user data for the standard and subject assigned to them, and the importance of thereof in the external trade of the country, interact with and visit the manufacturing unit labs, organize focus group discussions and analyze the information gained through these inventions in the context of scope of the standard subject under the standardization. In addition, the consultant may also required to assist the member secretary in examining and analyzing the comment received in regard to draft standards and in the drafting acting of the draft standards. The consultant will be undertaking any of the activities as assigned by the member secretary of the sectional committee concerned. The consultant may be required to undertake visit to collect data and evidence as required by the bureau. Review of existing standards leading to where required their timely revision amendments to update the same as per the time latest technology developments. Collection of information, data on the state of the art in the country and best practices world over and assist in the preparation of draft revision of existing standards and formulation of standard new areas of topical interests. Qualification for this role is for degree and post graduation relevant discipline. Total vacancies are 107 and last date for apply is 19th of January 2024. Minimum age limit for this role is 18 years and maximum age limit for this role is 65 years. Stipend is a consolidated monthly remuneration of 75,000 rupees only, fixed for 1 year, will be paid to consultant for SCMD activities. So the next opportunity is for NTRO Recruitment 2023. This post is for Scientist B. Job description for Scientist B is major branches: Technical Intelligence, TECHINT, SIGINT, Signal Intelligence, Intercepts and Analysis, Foreign Electronic Communication, Radio, Phone and Internet, IMINT, Imagery Intelligence, collects and analyzes imagery from satellites, drones, and other sensors. ELINT, Electronic Intelligence, analyzes electronic emissions from radars, weapon systems, and other equipment. Analysis and production. All source analysts combine intelligence from various sources to produce actionable insights for policymakers. Regional and thematic analyst focuses on specific geographic regions and areas of interest like terrorism, proliferation, or cyber threats. Cybersecurity. Defensive cybersecurity protects NTROs on network and systems from cyber attacks. And offensive cyber operations conduct cyber attacks against adversaries to gather intelligence or disrupt their operations. Supporting departments: research and development and maintains develops and maintains specialized equipment and technology for intelligence gathering and analysis. Training and education trains operative and analysts in various intelligence disciplines. Administrations and finance manages personal logistics and finances of the organization. Legal and legal affairs provides legal advice and ensures compliance with laws and regulations. Qualification for this role is degree or PG, relevant discipline, PG in mathematics. Total vacancies are 74 and last date for apply online is 19th of January 2024. Age limit maximum age limit is for 30 years. Stipend level 10 of the pay matrix rupees 56,100 rupees to 1,77,500.